Guys, gusto ko lang mag-share sa highly anticipated match-up between Alex Eala and Amanda Anisimova na isang match-up between a tactical player and a power hitter. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na dapat na-avoid ni Alex Eala yung backhand ni Amanda Anisimova because Amanda is considered to have the best backhand in the women's game. Napaka-powerful nito. So when Alex is serving, whether first serve or second serve, she should not go into the backhand of Amanda. He should go into the body of Amanda or go wide into her forehand. Bakit? Siyempre, ma-off balance si Amanda kapag ang serve ni Alex, which are spin serves, going into the body of Amanda Anisimova. She will have to move her body away from the shot coming into her body. So extra movement yon para kay Amanda. Mabigat pa naman yung katawan niya, lalong-lalo na yung dibdib niya. Real talk lang. Mabigat talaga yung dibdib niya pag tiningnan niyo siya, di ba? Kapag naglalaro. So extra movement from her because the ball is going into her body, it will disrupt her rhythm. Pangalawa, if it will go wide into her forehand. It means Amanda will have to make one or extra step to return the serve of Alex Eala. And she doesn't like moving, She doesn't like moving when hitting. It will result to unforced errors. So yan dapat ang magiging main tactic ni Alex Eala. Avoid the backhand of Amanda Anisimova. Yung backhand, ito yung ganun. Kapag kanan ka, ito yung backhand mo. Ito naman kasi ang forehand. Okay?